Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian organizations and countries around the globe in recognizing World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. In 2013, United Nations member states adopted a resolution that designated July 30th as the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. The day aims to raise awareness about the victims of human trafficking and promote and protect their rights. This year's theme, Reach Every Victim of Trafficking, Leave No One Behind, calls on governments, law enforcement, public services and civil society to assess and enhance their efforts to strengthen prevention, identify and support victims and end impunity. A meeting of senior Salesians from the province of India Chennai, INM, took place from 27th to 29th July. The event, organized at the headquarters of the INM province by Father John Alexander, INM Vice Provincial, was attended by Salesians aged between 70 and 93 years of age to celebrate their lives and their blessings in an atmosphere of faith, fraternity and gratitude. Father Alexander described the participants as a group of energetic and experienced men filled with wisdom and noted that old age is the final stage of human maturity and a sign of God's blessings. It is not only a physical process but also a psychological and spiritual journey, he said. For his part, Father Don Bosco Luru Sami, INM Provincial, spoke of the life full of grace that is realized through silence, solitude and stillness, interactions, the readiness to learn and the willingness to adapt to changing situations, determine aging with grace. The provincial urged the older Salesians to take a keen interest in the work of the younger generations, appreciating their efforts and guiding them with kindness. The Salesian Oratory in Gatchina does not have its own place, so to organize a summer camp for its young people, it has rented a suitable place to carry out this activity. The event was attended by 80 children and young people aged 8 to 14 from 5th to 25th July 2023, together with 19 leaders aged 15 to 36, led by Father Andrej Purubchin, SDB. The summer camp program included various musical activities, theatre, group work, moral education meetings, team games, lunch, free time in the oratory and workshops. In addition, participants were also able to take excursions, picnics, travel by train to St. Petersburg to visit the Franciscan Monastery of St. Anthony of Padua and the Russian Railway Museum. A special activity was also the treasure hunt in a forest. On the last day, relatives of the children and the leaders were invited to the celebrations concluding the summer camp. The Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, arrived in Lisbon on 30th of July 2023. Waiting for him at the airport was a group of young volunteers who handed him the World Youth Day WYD shirt and pilgrim kit for Lisbon 2023. And indeed, the Rector Major is in Portugal to participate in World Youth Day, which was held in Lisbon today, the 1st of August, until Sunday the 6th, and which is estimated to gather over 1 million pilgrims around Pope Francis in the Portuguese capital. As a sign of protest against the violence, especially against women in the state of Manipur, a silent march was organized by Don Bosco Savedi Ahmed Nagar on July 27th from Don Bosco School up to the Social Justice Bhavan Savedi. The silent march took place on the Nagar Manmat Highway. Citizens of the area, including religious brothers, sisters, women and young girls, participated in this silent march. The march began with participants black masks and holding banners and plaques to raise their voices in protest against the violence in Manipur. A petition was signed by the participants stating the protest against the violence unleashed against women in Manipur, creating social awareness and ensuring the respect and dignity of women. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.